torch works, but you are missing 90% of the machine. Today we will fix it. The ladder, which has simple 3 steps, 3 levels. And you can remember this word A, B, C. A for ask, B for build, and C for connect. If you follow this pattern, ask, build, and connect, you will stop using AI as search engine and you will start using AI as your assistant. Stop searching, start building. Level 1 starts with one simple question. Which AI I should use? ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini? Every week, new name appears. Let's fix this issue in 1 minute. Outcome plus context. Tell AI exactly what you want and tell AI what it needs to know. Compare both output, both answers. That is the 90% what we talked about. Congratulations, you have completed level 1 successfully. Now let's climb to level 2, build. This is the moment where AI stops being another chatbot and starts becoming your assistant. Welcome to AI projects. Remember, ChatGPT calls them projects, Claude calls them projects, Gemini calls them gems. Different names, same idea. No worries. Imagine staying in a hotel, you check in, you sleep, you leave. Tomorrow the room is empty, nothing remembers you. Now think about your own home, your book stay, your files stay, and your memory stays. That's exactly what an AI project is. A permanent home for your AI. Remember our goldfish. Normal chat forgets, projects remember. A goldfish turns into an elephant. 3 things. Number 1, your instructions act as rules, knowledge in the shape of your files. And third, memory. Everything AI learns about you. That's all. And your instructions begin with just 3 questions. Who am I? What is my goal? How should you help me? Watch me build one new project. Give it a name, open instructions, answer the 3 questions, save, done. From now on, every conversation starts with AI already knowing me. Think about it. How much time would you save if AI not ask the same question again? That's the power of build. Level 2 begins with home. A project is not just another chat. It's your AI permanent office. Inside every AI project live 2 superpowers. Number 1, files. Number 2, memory. AI without your files is a new employee. Day 1 knows nothing. AI with your files has worked with you for 3 years. It knows your documents, your reports, your style. Documents, reports, style. So keep everything in one place, one project, one knowledge base, one AI brain. Watch, I simply drag my files into the project. Done. Now every conversation can use them. Now memory. Think about your barber. Visit 1. He will definitely ask from you what type of haircut you like. Maybe in the next visit, he will also ask you what you like. But in the 3rd visit, he will automatically start cutting your hair because of memory. This is the power of memory. AI works the same way. Ask your AI project once. Use simple language, brief wording, also include examples. You would not repeat again. AI fitness coach, your plan lives in the project. Today you say, I only have 25 minutes. The plan changes. I injured my shoulder exercise disappear. Nobody asked twice. 10-second activity. Think of one sentence you repeat again and again. Keep it simple, use examples, keep it professional. Save that as your project's first memory today. One final tip. AI reads clean text better than any messy files. A clean notebook versus a crumpled photocopy. Which is easier? Here is the magic command. Convert this PDF into markdown. Markdown is simply clean, organized text. Cleaner information, better AI. If you want better answers, remember one word: feed. F for files, E for examples, E for experiences, D for deliver better results. The more intelligently you feed AI, the more it will work for you as an assistant. We have talked enough. Now it's your turn. Think about your role. Four common assistants. A teacher. Build a teaching assistant. Tell it I teach university students. Explain simply. Create quizzes, activities, lesson plans. A student. Build a study assistant. Upload your course outline, notes, past papers. Now imagine studying at 3 a.m. Your tutor is awake and it already knows your syllabus. A researcher. Upload your papers and notes. It helps with ideas, summaries, literature. A professional. Upload your company's documents. AI learns how your organization works. Now it's your turn to build. In just 5 minutes, you can create an AI assistant that starts learning with you. Lab number 2. 3 steps, 5 minutes. Step 1. Create AI project. Give it a meaningful name. Step 2. Answer 3 questions. Who am I? How you help me? Your goals. Step 3 is very important. Upload 2 or 3 files. That's enough. Tomorrow when you open AI, it will already knows you. And that is the exact moment you stop using AI like Google and start working with your own AI assistant. Welcome to level 3. This is the level where AI becomes really exciting. Connect, AI connect. By now you have built your projects, excellent. But every project has one limitation. Each one is an island. Your teaching project does not know your research. Your travel project does not know your budget. Your health project does not know your calendar. Now imagine building AI. That's what an AI system does. Think about doctors, an eye specialist, a heart specialist, a skin specialist. They have different expertise, but your family doctor knows you very well. He knows your whole story. He connects dots. He knows what problem you are going to face before time. This is AI system, putting everything under one umbrella. Imagine your travel plan talking to your budget. AI notices this trip does not fit your finances this month. No single project could see that. Or your medical report talking to your workout plan. AI notices you are missing enough cardio. 2 projects, 1 insight. Now think about your life. 2 areas who never talk to each other: income and spending, research and teaching, work and life system. If you want to explore this level, there are 3 doors. Beginner, Gemini Spark, already connected to your Gmail and Drive. Intermediate, Claude Cowork, built for non-technical people. Advanced, Claude Code or Codex for people who enjoy code. I simply wanted to show you the complete map. Now you know where this journey leads. The secret of level 3 is link. Projects remember information, systems connect information. That's where real intelligence begins. Before we finish, one secret that professionals use, that is a reconcile move. But a few people teach. Here is what most people do. AI writes a draft, they copy it, done. Here is what professionals do. AI writes a draft, they edit it, they make it sound like themselves. Then you ask AI, compare my version with yours. Watch, I paste my version next to the AI version and I ask, compare both versions, learn my writing style. Now AI writes itself new rules for the next conversation. Think about your best student. A great student does not only fix mistakes, they study every correction. Next time their work comes back better. That's exactly what we are teaching AI to do. It's a compound interest. Money grows little by little until the growth becomes huge. AI learns the same way. Every correction makes your assistant a little smarter week after week, month after month. Professionals do not accept the first draft, they add it. Every correction teaches AI more about your style. Every edit makes your assistant smarter. Lab number 3, easiest one. Next time, whenever you write an assignment, an email, a report, edit it and make it sounds like you, and then ask AI, compare my last version with your one sentence, 1 minute, one smarter assistant every single week. Now we have climbed the whole ladder. Ask, build, connect. Ask, build, connect. Yesterday, AI was just another search engine. Today, it became your assistant. Tomorrow, it can become your thinking partner. Not because AI changed, just because you have started using AI intelligently. Now don't stop here. Complete the 3 labs. Lab 1, upgrade your prompt with context. Lab 2, build your first AI project. Lab 3, teach AI your writing style. They are in the description. 1 page, free. Don't just watch this lesson, practice it. Students, teacher, researcher, professionals, this ladder is for everyone. There is no race, there is only your next step. If today's lesson made AI more simpler for you, then subscribe to Unsung Achievers channel. Every subscription helps us to reach one more learner. Next episode, how to stay safe online and offline. I believe that you will not miss this episode. Till then, goodbye. Remember us in your prayers. Let's finish with one final word, climb. AI mastery is not a destination, it's a journey. Keep learning,